In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a calendar event to a Basecamp project. Whether you're organizing a team meeting or planning a project deadline, integrating your calendar with Basecamp can streamline your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. Let's dive right in and make sure you never miss an important date again. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Basecamp's website by typing in basecamp.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, just enter your credentials to get access to your projects. Basecamp serves as a central hub for organizing tasks, files, and schedules, making it a go-to tool for project management. Once you're on the Basecamp homepage, the next step is to select the project you want to add a calendar event to. Look through your list of projects and click on the one that requires the new event. If you have a lot of projects, you can use the search bar to quickly find the specific project you're looking for. This step ensures that the event is linked to the correct project members and resources. Now that you're inside the project, it's time to add your event. Look for the plus icon, which is commonly used to add new items in Basecamp. You'll typically find this icon at the top or side of your project page. Clicking on this plus icon will reveal a list of options that you can add to your project. This feature is designed to keep your project organized and allow you to easily add new tasks, discussions, and more. From the list of options, go ahead and click on the calendar option. This will open up the calendar interface where you can start creating your event. The calendar in Basecamp is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to easily see upcoming events and deadlines. It's a great tool to visualize the timeline of your project and ensure that everything is on track. With the calendar interface open, you can now enter the details of your event. Be sure to include a descriptive title, set the correct date and time, and add any necessary notes or details that will help your team understand the event's purpose. Also, consider setting a reminder to notify team members ahead of time so everyone is prepared. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, finalize your event by clicking the Save or Add button, depending on what your interface displays. Congratulations! You've successfully added a calendar event to your Basecamp project. This addition will help you and your team stay organized and ensure that all important dates are visible to everyone involved. Remember, keeping your calendar up to date is crucial for effective project management and can prevent miscommunications or missed deadlines. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident in managing your Basecamp calendar events. Don't forget to regularly check and update your project calendars to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!